let's do a simple modeling and create this honeycomb pattern with the help of some special feature. Let's see, in direct editing there is one feature combined. In this combined there is add and subtract. So with the help of subtract tool we will create this kind of honeycomb shape. Okay, so let me create new. Okay, now let me apply top plane. Go to top plane, sketch, and here create one inscribed polygon. Keep here 6 number of patterns. We want to create hexagon. Right click, okay. Make this side one vertical. Activate center line and draw here two center line. Make sure one line midpoint from this to origin, then one here. Okay, dimensions. Let's say dimensions, these vertical dimensions defined 5 millimeter. Okay, extrude this one and make it depth, let's say end condition blind, and depth only 4 millimeter. See, now let's activate linear pattern. Drop down and here show sketch. Now in this case clear, choose this one, see the arrow, keep space and instances, distance how much, 9, and number of patterns 8. Come down here, choose body, select this body. Now here choose symmetry. If we choose symmetry, material flow both side equally. We selected 8 number one side, 8 number other side. Okay, see, now again I am going to apply linear pattern. Now this time direction I am going to select this direction. See the arrow moving other side. Keep 9, 18 and symmetric pattern. Here choose bodies. Now here you have to select all bodies. Let's say I'm going to select all the bodies one by one. See, symmetric means it will flow both side equally. This is gap, 8 number of patterns one side. Okay, now see, there is a gap between these patterns. These gap we need to use. Top plane, sketch. Let me create 2 circle. Smart dimension. Keep, let's say, 100 millimeter outer one. That's why we keep 8 numbers, so it covers all. Make it gap between 238. Now let me extrude this one, this circle. See, and make it depth 4 number, uncheck merge result. Okay, look, we have too many bodies here. Now let's go to direct editing, combine tool. Now I want to subtract and create the gap. This one, let's say main body. I want to select this circle. See, circle is selected here, extrude boss. Even you can select from here also. Okay, now remaining body, select all. Let's try to select all. Just cancel, and this is going to select all here one by one. It may takes time because this laptop is older. Show preview. Okay, we forget to add here. Let's zoom and select. See here, body selected. Okay, now all patterns here and body selected here. Let's apply yes, and you will see the preview. Look, all the bodies deleted except the passage. See, this passage extruded. Look, we delete circular body, we delete all the hexagon, only remaining these passages. Okay, now let me select this sketch, go to surface, extrude. Make it depth 4 millimeter. Okay. See, thicken. Let's select this one. Depth 1 millimeter. Okay. Again choose thickness. Select this one. Make this time thickness inside 1 millimeter. Merge result. And let's apply material. Okay. See, even let me apply fillet 1 millimeter, and let me choose this one and inside. Choose face, so face will select all edges. Now you can hide this sketch. See, this is how we create a honeycomb pattern with the help of combine tool. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.